Going on, everybody? This is the Fan 21 back here once again. What you're looking at here is a 52-inch antique brass Fasco Charleston. This fan dates to 1988, and it is the third generation of the Charleston series, which lasted all the way from around the very late 70s all the way until probably around the, around the early to mid 90s. So this is the third generation, pretty much like the second generation, with the exception of the mounting system, the blade badges, and the switch housing cap on the bottom of the fan. So Charlestons are pretty much the most common and most popular of the Fasco models that they produced back in the 80s and 90s. Definitely the most successful, as you see them everywhere. Not much really else to say about it. I've always liked these fans. I've always had them. Ever since I first saw them down in Tennessee back in, I'd say back in like 2009. It's the first time I ever saw one of these Charlestons in person, because there was only one in my area that I've seen personally, and that's in a restaurant. But I've always liked these fans, and I got a few of them. This is one of them. Picked this up from a Habitat Restore for like $8. So without further ado, we'll give this thing a demonstration. Start off here on low. Fan's in pretty good shape for its age as well. Unfortunately, the blades sustained some pretty deep scuffs from probably more likely from mishandling from Habitat. Pretty nice aesthetic low speed there. We'll crank it up to medium. And finally, we'll take it up to high. It's got a bit of a wore-up sound there when you crank it to full tilt. Gets up and flies pretty well. Bearings on the fan are pretty good shape too, so they hardly make any noise, if anything. And barely the ever so slightest wobble, but otherwise the fan runs real nice. We'll go ahead and shut it down. That's about it for this video. So thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this third generation antique brass Fasco Charleston from 1998. And I'll see you next time on the Fan 21 Productions.